Hi, I'm MaCenna Lee, and I'm an interior designer and content creator based in Los Angeles, California. So throughout the entire home, you're gonna see a combination of things that I've created myself, that I've DIY'd, from woodworking to smaller pieces of wall art, paired with things that I've thrift flipped, found at flea markets, and some new items throughout the space just to tie it all together to really evoke my style, but create a beautiful home. So it's a very quaint space, but there's lots of detail and lots to see, so let's start the tour. Right when you walk into the home, you're presented with the entryway, which might be one of my most favorite little nooks in the house, specifically this bookcase that's filled with all of my favorite thrifted items or vintage secondhand items that I found. Recently, I've been getting a lot more into woodworking, and I DIY'd and made this bench specifically for this space. Everything from cutting the wood to staining and sourcing the legs, so don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and make something custom for a space like this if you're looking for something specific. So in the living room, it was important to tie in lots of the wood elements that were in the entryway. I made the coffee table topper out of slats of wood in a really unique pattern design. And then I really wanted some drama in this space, so I decided to make some oversized abstract art for each side of the faux fireplace. I did opt for black trimmed windows. It kind of further separates the entryway to the living area, and we also hung linen drapes in a very slubby linen that kind of elevate your eye up with the darkness of the black windows and the lightness of the couch below. The alleyway kitchen was already renovated when we moved in, so for me it was really about updating some of the details. For instance, one of the first things that I did in this space was put this faux subway tile backsplash to really just add visual texture to the space, and then it leads us right into our breakfast nook. This wall is such a focal point in this space, and it's so incredibly special because I have been collecting these vintage frames from thrift stores for almost a year now. And my mom painted every single piece of landscape art. It's something we'll have in our family for years to come. To tie the space together, we had a custom table made, and I picked the stain color and the size just to make it all flow together. This is English chestnut. And the last thing is a DIY pantry I'd made from an old bookcase. My bedroom is all about relaxation. It's got lots of warm tones throughout the entire space, and this really speaks to more of my warm industrial side of the design that I really love. These pendant lights I made from old Kodak carousels, which were used to be used for slideshow projectors, and with some warm wood, a really industrial style wall bracket, they transformed into beautiful pendant lights for each side of my bed. And behind the pendant light, tracing from floor to ceiling, is this grass-inspired wallpaper in a gray tone, which really adds an accent wall to the space and creates kind of a DIY headboard to the bed. And also DIY'd my own vanity for this space. So it just goes to show you, with a few tools, you really can accomplish anything and make some really cool custom pieces for your home. Well, that wraps up the tour of my home, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys at the next project.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?